So pain points. Big pain points right now realtors are having articulating their value. That's huge. I find if I have a room full of realtors and I say, so tell me, why should I hire you out of the other 90,000 realtors in Ontario? It's a really difficult conversation to have because they haven't actually contemplated what makes them unique and what makes them different. I see a lot of realtors spend a lot of time getting the latest, greatest gizmo or, aerial photography and this and that, and like services, 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 services. But if two people are offering home staging and expert photography and this checklist and this checklist and this checklist, then it's commoditized. So we have to look at ways to look at what we're really offering, which is the value proposition that a solid realtor has more to do with their skill set and how they do the job. Not always what they do, but how they do it. So someone that has 10 years of professional negotiating experience is able to provide a very different level of service to someone that's just brand new coming into the business that's never negotiated a deal before.